Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter He. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with He. In our last video, we covered the letter Che. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. In this lesson, the letter He, is from the same category that we did in the previous lesson. He have the sound of Ha, Ha is using instead of H in English. Initially it's coming like this one, in middle part is this one, in final joint is this one, and final unjoined is this one. He's from the second category that is coming at the beginning, middle, and end. And with this letter we can join to both sides, to right side and to left side, another letters we can connect with. So this letter we need to come at the beginning and middle, then change it style. Now coming to words like hakikat here at the beginning. Hakikat. Hakikat means truth. Moon bayat hakikat ووایو. Moon bayat hakikat ووایو. Look, is moon. We can say moon as well. Some people pronouncing moon or moon. Both of them is correct. Moon bayat hakikat ووایو. We should tell the truth. هغه هلک د هر څه حقیقت بیان کړ. هغه هلک د هر څه حقیقت بیان کړ. هغه means that. هلک boy د هر څه everything. هر څه everything. حقیقت truth. بیان کړ explained. هغه هلک د هر څه حقیقت بیان کړ. That boy explained the truth about everything. حقیقت د اعتماد بنسټ دی. حقیقت د اعتماد بنسټ دی. Truth is the foundation of trust. حقیقت truth د اعتماد trust بنسټ foundation دی is. حقیقت د اعتماد بنسټ دی. Truth is the foundation of trust. Another word that has on it, like for example, halwa. Halwa. Halwa means padding. Halwa خوږه ده. Halwa خوږه ده. It means the padding is sweet. Halwa خوږه ده. The padding is sweet. حماد حلوا راوړه. Hamad halwa راوړه. It means Hamad brought the padding. Hamad is private name. Halwa padding. راوړه brought. Hamad halwa راوړه. Hamad brought the padding. حکمت حلوا خوري. حکمت حلوا خوري. Hikmat is eating the padding. Hikmat halwa khuri. Hikmat is eating the padding. Hikmat is private name. Halwa padding. Eating. Khuri eating. Or another word here on it, like for example, harakat. Harakat. Harakat means move. موټر ناڅاپه حرکت وکړ. موټر ناڅاپه حرکت وکړ. It means the car suddenly moved. Motor, car, ناڅاپه means suddenly, or ناڅاپه means we can say unwantedly. For example, you stop the car or you park the car like moved by like without that you wanted to move it, like to move the car, move by yourself. We can say ناڅاپه. حرکت وکړ moved. ناڅاپه it means like that you didn't want to move but it moved. We say ناڅاپه. موټر ناڅاپه حرکت وکړ. The car suddenly moved. or the car unwantedly? No. حرکت د ژوند نښه ده. حرکت د ژوند نښه ده. It means movement is a sign of life. حرکت movement په توګه is correct. د ژوند life. نښه sign that is. حرکت د ژوند نښه ده. Movement is a sign of life. د ده حرکتونه ډېر چټک وو. د ده حرکتونه ډېر چټک وو. It means his movement was very fast. د ده حرکتونه ډېر چټک وو. His movement was very fast. د ده means his. حرکتونه movement ډېر very چټک fast وو was. د ده حرکتونه ډېر چټک وو. His movement was very fast. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. حقیقت حقیقت truth. مونږ باید حقیقت ووایو. مونږ باید حقیقت ووایو. We should tell the truth. هغه هلک د هر څه حقیقت بیان کړ. هغه هلک د هر څه حقیقت بیان کړ. That boy explained the truth about everything. حقیقت د اعتماد بنسټ دی. حقیقت د اعتماد بنسټ دی. Truth is the foundation of trust. حلوا حلوا pudding. حلوا خوږه ده. حلوا خوږه ده. The pudding is sweet. حماد حلوا راوړه. حماد حلوا راوړه. حماد brought the pudding. حکمت حلوا خوري. حکمت حلوا خوري. Hikmat is eating the pudding. حرکت حرکت move. موټر ناڅاپه حرکت وکړ. موټر ناڅاپه حرکت وکړ. The car suddenly moved. حرکت د ژوند نښه ده. حرکت د ژوند نښه ده. Movement is a sign of life. د ده حرکتونه ډېر چټک وو. د ده حرکتونه ډېر چټک وو. His movement was very fast. If you would like to learn Pashto daily online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.